Welcome back to the YOTELPAD Park City Construction Update. I'm Laren Turley, Director of Development for Replay Destinations here in Park City, Utah. It's a beautiful spring day. Behind me you can see the Yotel site. We've already formed footings on the north end, and the concrete walls are starting to be formed, which you can see in the background. They will continue all of that work to the south end. We will be ready to pour the slab on grade, which will form the first level parking structure at the end of June. We will then be ready to pour the level 1 deck probably or close to the end of July. So we'll see that coming out of the ground. We're very excited to be out of the dirt and be forming and pouring concrete. All of the utility work is now starting as well, and you'll start to see this building come out of the ground. We're excited for YOTELPAD Park City.